Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Your Success Matters. I'm your host, Velvet Briere. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, click on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos I post. So I went ahead and created my Facebook fan page. I wanted to show you guys exactly what it looks like, okay? So it's called, I named it Mailbox Cash, okay? And this is what it looks like. I haven't added a photo or anything yet, but I will. When you want to add, I added my first, let me see, posts. I added my first post here, okay? I'm actually going to like it. I added my link, okay? My website link, and I'm going to show you how you get there, okay? Once you've created your fan page, the reason I want you guys to do this, if you're in direct mail or any opportunity, you need to make sure you create a Facebook fan page or business page, however you want, whatever you want to call it, because you can post videos and market as many times as you want on your Facebook fan page, and you can post in your Facebook groups. I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, so it's completely allowed to post as many things as you want in your Facebook fan page. Okay, videos, okay, mainly talking about your business. Okay, so when you want to add your website link, you're going to click on edit. You're going to scroll down to edit your about info. Then you're going to scroll down, and where it says websites and social links, add your website link here. You can add a social link. You can add a whole bunch of things as well. Okay, you can add your address. I'm not going to do all that. I don't need you guys knowing where I live. Privacy and legal information. Page transparency. Okay, you can look through all this stuff if you want, but I would mainly focus on the contact and basic info. Okay, I'm not adding my address. I'm not adding my phone number. I have my email address here if you guys want to email me. Okay, I have my website link here if you guys are interested in checking out Cash Billing System Unlimited. It is a one-time $50 to join. And with your for your $50, you're going to get 200 postcards, 200 leads, and for an additional $50, if you choose to, this is optional, you will get 200 forever stamps sent to you along with your welcome kit. Okay, so for your $50, you get 200 postcards, 200 leads, and 200 forever stamps if you choose. That'll be a total of $100 altogether. So it'll be $50 to join, and then an additional $50 if you want the forever stamps. If you don't, it's not. It's totally optional. You don't have to get it, okay? And then when you guys start bringing in a little bit of extra cash with the opportunity, you can join and upgrade to phase 2, which starts your residual income. Okay? So when you join phase 2, you pay basically $100 one time, and for that you will get. Wait, let me back up. So when you join phase 1, you pay your one-time $50. You are able to earn $25 commissions for every person that joins you at phase 1. If you upgrade to phase 2, you're able to earn $70 commissions every time someone joins you at phase 2. And that is where your residual income comes in, right? So when you upgrade to phase 2 and you pay your $100, you are able to earn $70 commissions. And then once somebody joins you, and they start bringing in people, you're going to be earning $20 a pop every time the person you bring in, every time they bring somebody in under them. You're going to earn $20 because you're going to be their sponsor. Every time they bring someone in, you earn $20. Okay? So that's where the residual income is at. And like I said, I'm going to be upgrading pretty soon. And I will make a video once I upgrade showing you guys that. I already ordered my postcard templates. For my customized postcards templates for Cash Billing System Unlimited. Okay, the postcards you get with Cash Billing System Unlimited, it used to be that where you refer every time you bring in someone and they join you in the Cash Billing System Unlimited opportunity, you would get an additional 200 postcards, 200 leads every time someone joins you. The owner has changed it to where you only new members will receive the postcards and the leads. And then you would have to re-up on your postcards and leads once you get out. So my recommendation, you guys, I have resources on discounted stamps, discounted anything you guys need. Okay, that's gonna help you grow your direct mail business. Okay, if you need stamps, I have resources. If you need leads, I have resources. If you need postcards, I have resources on that. Okay, so like I said, it's totally up to you. This is a completely optional. I'm just showing you guys how to create a Facebook fan page if you're planning on marketing your business online. Okay, so this is my Facebook fan page. I'm not done with it yet. I have to create a profile picture, a little picture here, and the actual picture here, and I'll do that a little bit later on. I'm going to show you guys another way to market as well. So you come over here, you go to groups, okay, and you can just search groups like Make Money Online, okay. And what you want to do is you want to join 10 of these groups. So join, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's 10 Make Money Online groups. And then you want to come back and type in work from home. My bad. Work from home. And you're going to join 10 work from home groups. And then, like I told you, if you guys watched my little training tip I gave you, you're going to post your YouTube video in every single group that you join. And you're going to do it. You're going to post one video in one group, wait 2 minutes, then post the same video in the next group, and then the next group. And you wait 2 minutes after you post, because if you guys just keep posting without waiting, you're going to get kicked out of, you're going to be put in Facebook jail. So I'm going to join 10 of these groups. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you're gonna post in your 10 work from home groups and your 10 make money online groups. Okay, that's 20 groups all together. Now I know this sounds like a lot, you guys, but I've done it before. I actually learned this from somebody else that used to be my sponsor in another opportunity, and he taught me all this. Okay, I'm just bringing it to you guys because it's a great training tip to know how to market online the correct way, and this is how you do it. I'm telling you right now, I didn't know this was the way you market on Facebook, but because of him being online, as long as he was online, he taught me everything I know about and everything I know now. So I'm bringing it to you guys. Just make sure when you're posting in your groups that you post one video, wait 2 minutes, and then go back and post in another group, and do the same thing. Make sure after you post, you wait 2 minutes, because I don't want you guys getting put in Facebook jail or them taking down your post because of that. So this is the best way to video market on Facebook, and that's basically it. So like I said, if you guys are interested in joining the Cash Money System Unlimited opportunity, phase 1 is a one-time $50. For that, you get 200 postcards, 200 leads. If you need forever stamps, you can pay an additional $50, and it'll be a total $100 altogether for everything. Okay, if you need stamps. If you don't worry about it. Just pay your one-time $50 and you're good to go, and you'll receive your welcome kit. The owner can also email you a copy of your flyer. He will also send you your ID number. There are 3 ways to join. You can join by the website. If you join by the website, you're going to need to make sure you put my ID number, which is 4772. When you sign up on the website, I'm going to leave all the information below. When you sign up on the website, input my ID number in the form you're going to fill out. All right, you guys, looks like I'm going to have to make this a part 2 video. I'll be right back.